Alright, so it is finally time. So after getting all of those hate comments from you guys and mean comments, so if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, so I made a video a few years ago about how dirty my PS5 was, and I got all kind of mean comments in that video saying clean your PS5, do this, do that, and I got almost 9 million views in that video. Thanks for that, but every comment was not a positive comment. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna be cleaning my PS5, and there was a spider living inside this PS5. You guys know that if you have watched that video. And the reason why I never clean this PS5 is because I'm always out of my house. I don't play games on PS5. I'm always playing on my PC. So yeah, we're gonna be cleaning the PS5 today, and the reason why I'm cleaning it, not because it's dirty, because it's making some weird noises when I'm playing it. So we're gonna find out what's inside it, and it's still dusty. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so I couldn't record while I was cleaning my PS5, so I'm gonna be doing a commentary. So you guys can't see how dirty it is, but let me just show you with the phone camera with the flash. You can see what's inside it. It's literally filled with spider webs, and there might be some spider eggs once we open it. And I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna clean it, but first step is gonna be opening the side panels. So that's what I did. I flipped my PlayStation 5, put it on the table, is horizontally, yeah, and then I just opened the side panels. I'm just gonna fast forward it because it kind of took a lot of time, and also the stand was filled with dust as well, and I was expecting some bugs inside the stand as well, but thankfully it was just filled with dust. And I cannot tell you how hot it was because the PS5 was running and the screw underneath was really hot. And the next thing what I did was I just slammed my PS5 on the side to open the side panel. That's the best way I could find, and you see the side panel is literally filled with the dust. And again, you can't see, let me just zoom in the camera. Wait till I zoom in the camera and you will see what kind of dust and spider webs are inside my PS5, and for some reason it was filled with my cat hair as well. And I can't believe it's been 3 years since I have cleaned my PS5, and I kind of got some scratches under the PS5 because of the side panel, and I really hate that. And fan was literally clogging. I couldn't tell what kind of sound it was making while I was running my PS5, and all I wanted to do was to play some God of War Ragnarok Valhalla DLC, and as soon as I booted the game, and it just went like a freaking chut. So what I did was I used a vacuum cleaner just to remove some of the dust on top, and vacuum cleaner was not the best option to clean the PS5. What I wanted to do deep down was to just dip my PS5 in the isopropyl alcohol, but we can't do that because that's the only PS5 I have. Cannot lose it because it's still expensive in my country, costing about $700 MSRP, and I don't know why my country sells consoles and PC parts so expensive. And you guys can see the vacuum cleaning didn't do any good. So what I did was I just flipped the PS5 to see what's on the other side, because on the other side there is a disk drive, and what I did was just forgot to eject the disk that I had in my PS5, and that was a mistake because it was just covered with dust, and Lord knows what was inside that disk drive. So I just kept it just like that because I don't want to scratch the disk until I'm sure what's inside it. And the second side panel was also as dirty as the first one. And as you can see, the fan was just done. I thought I have to replace the fan, but I just kept it like that because it didn't seem that bad. But this part was just, let me just wait until I zoom into the thing, cat hair and whatnot. I don't think so if there's any other PS5 as this dirty, and I'm not proud of it. If you guys think I'm just making the video out of fun, no, I don't play my PS5 that often. I'm always on my PC, always on my laptop. never in my house. So every time I visit, I'm just plugging in the console and just chilling with my cats and playing some games. And I scared my cat with the vacuum cleaning. It was kind of funny because my cats play with vacuum cleaner. Every time I'm cleaning something, my cats just want to sniff the vacuum cleaner. I don't know what's the fun with that. So anyway, after cleaning it with the vacuum cleaner, it wasn't enough. So what else can I do? So nothing can be better than a cloth. So I picked up dirty piece of cloth and just cleaned my PS5 with that dirty cloth. And that actually did the cleaning very well, better than the vacuum cleaner. And for some reason, it looked way better with just a piece of cloth. And the edges were kind of tough, but I just left them because those are the vents, and I don't think so that's gonna be a problem. So I cleaned it on the both side, and surprisingly, I didn't find a spider or any kind of bugs living inside my PS5 this time. And again, I cleaned this PS5 after 3 years, and I was surprised that it wasn't that dirty from the inside. I mean, it was really dirty, but I was expecting a little bit more inside the PS5. So good job, Sony, for making your console scratching itself while removing the side panel. It looks really bad now, and I kind of hate that. So yeah, this was a story of me cleaning my PS5 after 3 years. And I don't think so you guys gonna put on some mean comments in this video that I didn't clean my PS5 that good. So this is the best I could do. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are happy that I have cleaned my PS5 after 3 years. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.